Hi, my name's Chris, and I'm an onboarding customer success manager here at Sprout. Today, I'm going to quickly walk you through on how you can create different versions of a post for different social networks. Some of you might be publishing the same contents to multiple social networks, but there are also some instances that you might want to make certain differences for each of these posts. First off, you'll be creating the content here in our Compose window. Make sure that you have applied all the necessary setup for the first content you'll be posting. Then, instead of clicking schedule right off the bat, you'd like to click the drop-down button beside it, and then select schedule plus duplicate. This setup allows you to schedule your content to the first social network that you've selected, and then you'll be routed back to this same Compose window with the same content so you can select the second social network and of course make some changes as needed. As you can see, we're back at it. This will certainly help you save some time and effort instead of starting from scratch every single time. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll see you again next time. Bye.